Hello student, good morning and welcome. I hope all are fine and safe at your home. Today I am going to teach you Moral Science of class 3 and the chapter is 3. The name of the chapter is Happy with What I Have. Means yes, I am happy whatever I have. But before starting this lesson, I would like to say that this lesson is related to our need and want. So whatever we have, we should thank God. Means yes, we should always be thankful to God for everything. Whatever God has given us and be happy always. God has given us many things like a parent are living with us. We are having a beautiful house. We are having food to eat. So many things are with us. We are getting so many facilities. It's all because of God. So that's why we should always thank Him for that. So now let's begin the chapter and come in story. It was Sunday. Anam's mother was making a shopping list like shampoo, biscuits, yogurt, toothpaste, noodles, batteries, a light bulb, etc. As we know that at home also our mother prepare shopping list according to our want and need. Anam wanted her mother to buy her a pair of shoes to match her new dress. Mother said, Mother said, you already have a 6 pair of shoes apart from sandals and slippers. Do you really need another? Just like we all know that what we have, but still we fight again to buy the same thing. So in the same way, Anam doing, and her mother asked, do you really need another? Just then Anam's father entered the room. He looked worried. A terrible storm is about to hit the city this afternoon. We have to leave for a safe place some miles away. We have to leave for a safe place some miles away. It means when they are doing conversation, suddenly Anam's father entered in the house and he told a terrible storm is going to hit the city this afternoon. We have to leave for a safe place some miles away. I think you are in confusion toward terrible storm. Let me define terrible storm. It means a disturbance of the normal condition of atmosphere, or in a simple word we can say strong winds and heavy rains. But what about our house things? Anam mother asked. Means what but what about our house, our things? Anam mother asked. Let's turn the page and come in next page. Means the Anam mother asked, what about our houses and things? We can take only things, means we can take only things we can't do without, like food, water, blankets, a torch. He said, we might be without electricity for some days. Means Anam father told, we can take only that things from which we can't live, like water, food, blankets, etc. I hope all students know better. We can live without electricity for some days, but we can't survive without water, food, air, etc. These all things must necessary for our life to survive. Then Anam father took out a bag. Quick, put in as many things as you want in this, but take only what you really need and leave the rest here. Means, and after that Anam looked at her toys scattered on the floor. Scattered means spread over a large area. Then her mother shook her head and told her, you would not need so many toys. And after that, she left the room to pack her own things. And the last, here is written, think of all the things that Anam and her family would need. Make a list of things she should pack. So we prepare list what they actually need to take in this situation, like water, food, blankets, torch, etc. Okay students, chapter is over. Then come in exercise. Orally I will discuss you. But before exercise, let's clear these 3 points. These are key points. When we have all we need, we want more things. Yes. When we have so many things, but again we are demanding more things again and again. But we really do not need all these things. Yes, we don't need all these things. Only some things are useful to us. Only some things are useful to us. Okay, now let's come in exercise. This exercise, before introducing this exercise, what I want to tell you, whatever I have given in written notes plan, you must have to write and learn all these things. But this exercise orally I am discussing with you. First question, what did Anam want her mother to buy? Answer, Anam wanted new pair of shoes for her new dress. Second question, why did not Anam mother want to buy new shoes for her? Anam have already 6 pair of shoes. That's why her mother did not want to buy new shoes. Okay? Now third question, why was Anam's father worried? Anam's father worried because a terrible storm was about to come in his city. Fourth question, what kind of things did Anam's father want her to take with her? Anam's father want to take the things they only need. Last question, do you think Anam should pack all her toys in the bag? No, I think no need to pack all her toys in the bag. So now let's come in true false. We don't need a pair of shoes with every dress. Yes, true. Because no need to buy a pair of shoes for every dress. Second, to be happy we must buy everything we like. No, false. Third, if we go somewhere for a few days, we should only take things we can't do without. Yes, true. Fourth, Anam's family had to leave the city to attend a wedding. No, false. Fifth, Anam did not have enough pair of shoes. No, false, because she have a 6 pair of shoes. Okay, now let's come in C. Sonu want to buy everything he want, but does he need all these things? Match and help him choose what he really need. Sonu need like fruit. See, like fruit. He need fruit. He needs scale, eraser, pencil. He needs milk. He needs rice. These things only he need, and rest are not, because chips is harmful for our health. So that's why we have to leave this. So now let's come in next page. Things to do. Nature gives us many things we need. Paste sticker to show what these are. The stickers are at the end of the book. Means nature are providing us a plenty of things. So many things nature are giving us. Here, like this, you can see in this picture, fresh air to breathe. And here is a circle, light from the sun, wool from the sheep, wood for making tables and chair, fruits and vegetables, water for drinking and washing clothes. These things we have to do. Inside this circle we have to paste the sticker. Stickers are end of the book. Okay, this all things you have to do by yourself. Let's come in next page. You can see this page. Imagine that you have to shift home. Here is a Motu, a big strong elephant, but even Motu cannot carry your entire home. So think of all the things you really need to take with you. Means you are shifting in your home, and he is a Motu, big strong elephant, but Motu cannot carry your entire home. So you have to choose only that things that you really need. You can choose here from here, and you will write here inside this elephant. Okay, now the chapter is over. From this above chapter we learned about need and want. Then let me clear you about need and want. Needs are things must have to live. Without it we can't live. Nature gives us many things we need, like fresh air to breathe, fruits and vegetables, light from the sun, water for drinking and washing clothes, wood for making furniture and table, chair, wool from sheep. Many things that we are getting from nature. From above this we can't live. We need these all things to survive. But on the other hand, wants are our wishes, which may or may not be necessary. Wants are our desire. These things do not make us happy for a long time. They cost money, but we usually get bored with some want newer things, thinking this will make us happier, and wants are our desire. It means wants are not necessary. And the last I want to say you, whatever PDF and written notes plan you are getting, you have to write these all things carefully. And the last, if you have any confusion, any problem regarding this chapter, you can knock for it. Okay, I hope you understood this chapter, and we'll see you in next class. Okay, bye.